Okay, now this is the mountain that was in front of the truck, and I'll just zoom in on it so you can get a little better detail of it. Okay, runs over like that, and here's the tree line right around from my parking area. Okay, do the complete circle here. There's the truck. Okay, now we're back to the mountain. Okay, now what I'm going to zoom in on here is pretty cool. It's a pathway at the base of the mountain. See, there's the mountain. The pathway's at the base of the mountain. Okay, just like that. It's all cut there, like so. And the guy's got markers down there for range. See if I can zoom any of them in. It's hard for me to tell, but I can see it in my binoculars. Okay, now the cool thing is that leads into a big clearing. See this? There's a pathway right there through the trees, a natural pathway that leads into the clearing. There's another one right there. And then it goes into grass. Right there. And then behind that, you've got the timber. And just above the grass, you've got that area there. And he's got markers up in there too that I can see. So any deer coming there from that side into the clear cut all the way around. It's pretty cool.